एक्स मिनिस्टरान एलिगेशन केलां की तुमचे न्यूली इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट की टिकेटी पयशे दिवन घेतले.
ना प्लीज हियर वॉट वर हीज वर्ड्स. उतर कित म्हणलें तेणें.
तूं सांग.
ना ना तुम्ही सांगा. सो सी डोंट पुट वर्ड्स which were not said. At least what I have read is that he was asked how much money he has. What is wrong? I can be asked also how much money. If I come as a beggar and say I want to contest election, at least ki tode ask ho nahi. So if you were asked, did he say that somebody asked him money? Did you hear that? Did you say that he was asked a particular figure? I don't think. I never heard this.
तो म्हणटा आपल्याक विचारले पैसे कितले म्हणजे
See, at that time also तुम्ही जाणा there were statements about his financial condition. Please go back and rewind and you'll come to know. So I am also of the view that you can't give a ticket to a person who is completely bankrupt. You have to give ticket to a person who has got some finance in hand. He can say, I've got this much money, I will arrange this much money, because you need certain money for the purpose of fighting an election.
You are bankrupt, you mean to say?
I'm not saying him. I'm saying, see, please don't. The way you ask a question is as if I've said it. I've said you can't give a ticket to a person who's bankrupt. So I don't say that he is bankrupt. Please don't put words like that.
But तेणे ते एलिगेशन केला पण it looks like the टिकेट.
So I don't know. I ask you one simple question. I will put a hypothesis that let us believe that he's got up genuinely to tell us something. Why 5 years he took to tell this? 5 वर्ष फाटी कित्याक सांगलो ना. 5 वर्ष फाटी कित्याक आवाज काडलो ना. आतां साडली जागो जाला सांगपाक. Is he saying it was on his own or on behalf of somebody else?